Hey everyone, welcome back. And this is the last day of Black History Month, so I felt like it was a day to turn out another look. So this look is Black History slash St. Patty's Day look. So I got some green elements, and then I also have my Black history colors there in there, so they're kind of inspired by my earrings. So let's get started. I used a whole lot of colors, so I'll start with the bases. I used two P. Louise bases. Let me see if I can find. I always get one and I lose one and have one, and this is one of them, the P. Louise Rumor 0.5. And the other one is just a paint in black. It's up here somewhere. I'm always looking for stuff. And if you can't, hope you can hear me. I'm talking a little louder because I have my fans on. But this is the black. And so I put the 0.5 in this area and the black in on the lid across the lid. So then I applied mostly Pastel Roses colors. So I started with this color in Lime Twist. And then next to that, kind of like in the middle here, I use Dreamscape. Oops. This is a multi-chrome. And then to get towards that tail of that part, I used a color from Sephora. Now, I don't think these are still available, but it's an eyeshadow from Sephora, and I don't know the name of the color, but it's this one right here. And then I use just a green from my Wild Side palette from Believe Beauty or Butte. And this color is in Mary Jane. So this one. And while I have it, I also use this color in Malachite. Under the eye. So I used a black liner at the bottom, and then I put that malachite color on top just to kind of smoke the liner out. So that's the top portion. And then in this black area, I went across with all Pastel Roses colors. This one is in Cinnabar Rose and Stardust Mirage and Monstera. That's a different name. And Emerald on the tail. And then as far as cheeks for blush and highlight, if you can see the blush, I'm using a blush from Singe Beauty, and it's in the color Risky Raisin. And for the highlight, I'm using a highlighter from MBA or My Beauty Addiction Cosmetics. This is one of their shimmering bouquet highlighters in the color Adorned. I doubt these are still on their website. I got that a long time ago. And then for lips, I'm using a lipstick from Lime Crime in the color Serpentina. Now I line the lips with that. And then I filled in the lips with this NYX gloss. It's a duochrome or duochromatic color in, what does it say? Soiree? No, I'm sorry. What kind of party? Let me see if it says it here. Oh, foam party. I was looking at the other language. So it's a duochromatic green, shimmery. So yeah, and I got this hat from the beauty supply. This is the other accessory I was referring to in my last video. I wanted to wear this because it's got different colors, but mainly the green. But yeah, I wanted to wear this in my next look. So I still have my hair pressed, but like I said, next time you see it, it'll probably be back curly again. But it was hard to put the hat on when it was curly, so I said I'll put it on while my hair is pressed and flat so I can get the hat on better. But yeah, I like the hat. It's cute. So I hope you like this look. I didn't know where I was going with it, but I just decided to do something a little different. And I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching. Happy Black History Month.